Hi, my name is Lisa Lin. I am the founder and the CEO of APC Packaging. Today, I'm presenting our patented refillable technology. This is a bottle for your skincare product. After you finish one bottle, what you do is turn it upside down, release the button to release the cartridge. The inner cartridge is made 100% post-consumable recycled resin and go back to the recycle. Then you get a new bottle, release the service cap, reusing the pumps, line up the bottle with a slot, click. Now the bottle is locked in and then can resume your skincare regimen. At APC Packaging, we're committed to make you beautiful as well as keep our planet beautiful. Thank you.